All right, everybody. Let's have a look at June 2016, question number 2. We'll start off by saying factorize completely. We have what? 4a squared minus 16i. All right, I hope you notice how popular factorization is. It comes almost every year. All right, can you see, what is the first step in all factorization? See if there is a what? Common factor. What is the highest number that can go into 4 and 16? 4. First thing you need to do is to take that out. 4. What is 4 into 4a squared?
8 squared.
What is 4 into 16?
4.
Alright? 4. Can you see that in here is the difference of two squares? What do you multiply by itself to give you a squared?
8.
What do you multiply by itself to give you 4?
2.
And this side is a plus, this side is a minus. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
I. We have what? 3y squared plus 2y minus 8. 3y squared plus 2y minus 8. Stay with me. Are you ready? This is a quadratic expression. To factorize it, I'm going to use the ABC method. First, AC. A is 3, C is minus 8. So this is 3 times minus 8. This is minus 24. B is equal to 2. I need two numbers. When I multiply them together, I get negative 24. When I add the same two numbers together, I get a positive 2. I also told you, if AC is negative, the sign of B is the sign of the larger number. What is the sign of B?
2.
What is the sign of B?
Positive.
So the larger number has to be what?
Positive.
What are the two numbers?
Minus 4 times 6.
The two numbers are negative 4 and positive 6. This is 3y squared minus 4y plus 6y minus 8. What is common here and here? What is y into 3y squared?
3y.
What is y into 4y?
4.
What is the highest number that can go into 6 and 8?
2.
You all know you can shut your eye, write this back. 3y minus 4. It must come back. If it don't come back, something is wrong. What is common here and here?
3y minus 4.
What goes in the next bracket?
Minus 2.
Yes.
So when you put up 6 plus 6,
There's no formula to do.
6 plus 6y minus 4y.
Doesn't matter. As long as once you have the same binomial, it is correct. Doesn't matter, the side doesn't matter.
Okay. Awesome.
Alright. Focus please. B. B is simultaneous equation. We have what? 2x plus y, and that is equal to 3. Well, 5x minus 2y. Alright. Simultaneous equation using the method of elimination. Now, first of all, it is possible to either eliminate x or y. However, whenever I do it, I always eliminate y. To eliminate y, the number in front of y must be the same in both equations. The signs can be different, but the number must be the same. So now this is 1 and this is 2. I need for them to be the same. To get them to be the same, I'm going to multiply equation 1 by the number in front of y in equation 2. What is the number in front of y in equation 2?
2.
2 2's.
4x.
2 times y.
2y.
2 threes.
6.
Equation 1 times 2. Then I'm going to multiply equation 2 by the number in front of y in equation 1. What is the number in front of y in equation 1?
1.
What happens when I multiply something by 1? 5x minus 2y is equal to 12. Equation 2 times 1. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to eliminate y. To eliminate y, I'm either going to add or subtract the two equations. How do I determine which one to do? If the signs of y are the same, I must subtract. If the signs of y are different, what must I do?
Add.
So what should I do?
Add.
So this becomes what?
9x.
9x. This goes is equal to what? 18. Next, I'm going to divide both sides by what?
9.
X is equal to what? 2. Then I'm going to substitute this value of x into any of the two original equations. 2x plus y is equal to 3. This is equation 1. But what is x?
2.
So this is 2 times 2 plus y is equal to 3. 2 2's.
4.
Positive 4 goes over and become what?
Negative. 3 minus 4 minus 1.
Y is equal to minus
1.
1. So x is 2 and y is minus 1. B. B is asking us to solve. B. Sorry, C. C says the table below shows corresponding values of what? X and y, where y varies what? Directly as x. So help with the table. Have x, y. What else is there? 6 below it.
3.
Then what?
10.
10 below it. Then what?
T.
Below it.
9.
9. This is my table. I have corresponding values of what? X and y. Ladies and gentlemen, this is variation. You need to review your variation notes. Now, the first thing, a variation question is a four-step flow to it. Step 1, the examiner makes a variation statement with one of two operative words. The two operative words are directly or inversely. Here he says that y varies what? Directly as x. What is the operative word? Talk to me now. Directly. It means step 1. It means that y is equal to k times x. If the operative word is directly, it's going to be k multiplied by. If the operative word is inversely, it's going to be what? K divided by. Which one was the operative word?
Directly.
So it's k multiplied by. That is step 1. The examiner makes a variation statement, and you, the student, translate that statement into a variation equation. That is my variation equation, and k is called the constant of variation. Step 2, you have to be given a value of x and y so that you can calculate k. Here it is. When x is 6, what is y?
3.
So when x is 6, y is 3. Let's put that in the information. Y is 3 is equal to k times 6, which is what? Sorry, k times x, which is 6. I'm going to divide both sides by 6 because I need to find out what is k. This goes, therefore k is equal to a half. Do you agree with me? That is step 2. Step 3. Step 3, we must rewrite the equation and put in this new value for k. So step 3, y is equal to k. What is k? A half x. Then now let's finish the question. You're either going to be given a value of x to find y or a value of y to find x. The examiner says when x is equal to 10, y is equal to u. Let's put it in. So y, which is what? U is equal to a half times x, which is what? What is a half of 10?
5.
U is equal to 5. Last step. Write back equation. Now in step 2, you are given a value of y to find what? X. When x is equal to t, y is equal to 9. So we have 9 is equal to a half times t. This is 9 over 1 is equal to t over 2. If I have one fraction is equal to one fraction, what do I do? Multiplying by a half is the same as divide by 2. Everybody knows that, right? So this is what? 1 times t. 2 times 9. So u is 5 and t is 18. That's the end of the question.